Hi everybody, it's Miss Bell again. Today I want to talk to you about bird watching and how you can prepare yourself and then what you can do when you're out in the woods. So the first thing that I did when I got ready to go bird watching today was put on long pants. These will cover my legs and protect me from mosquitoes and ticks, very important. And underneath I've got nice tall socks that I can pull all the way up. I've got my hiking shoes on and I've got my tank top on. Now, sometimes you might want to consider putting on long sleeves to protect your arms from the sun and from ticks, but it's pretty warm today, so I put on a short sleeve shirt. The other item you might want to grab on your way out the door is a hat. Now, it can be kind of tricky when you're looking up at the trees if you're wearing a hat. My hat is a bit big for bird watching, but you can grab a baseball hat that has a long cover in the back, and you can put that on. It'll protect your neck from the sun and again from those ticks. Before you head out, you need to put on sunscreen, which is very important. Even though you'll be doing a lot of your bird watching in the woods, the sun will still filter down through the trees. Very important to protect your skin. And the final thing you might want to put on is an environmentally friendly bug spray, which I just did with Miss Javahari before we came out here to the woods. So the next step, once you're all prepared and ready to go, you want to head out into the woods. You can choose a favorite trail or a favorite park and walk around. What you want to look for is a place where there's not many people to start, because a lot of people means a lot of noise and not as many birds. So what we've done is we've walked down here to the creek at Butler and we've come out into the woods and we found a quiet spot. So now what we're going to do with our binoculars, don't forget those, is stand and listen. Right now I can hear three types of birds. I can hear a Carolina wren, a mourning dove, and a tufted titmouse. So once I hear the sound, I'm going to take my binoculars and look in that direction. And what's best practice is to start at the bottom of the tree and work your way up. Go slowly up the tree and look for any movement. Once you find a bird, try to stand very still. And use your dial in the middle of your binoculars to focus in on the bird. Be quiet when you're bird watching. And I saw something fly over there, so now I'm going to look in that direction. And just remember, it takes time to spot the birds and a lot of practice. So you might have to come outside and sit for a while before you see anything. Have fun!